Welcome to my class, IIT Foundation in Maths for 6th class students. 5th chapter, Ratio and Proportion, and it is the assessment test, 6th. In the assessment test also, 6th problem. This is part 19th in this chapter. So, assessment test, 6th problem. Check the following sets of numbers, whether they are in proportion. First set, 2, 3, 6 and 9, and another set. So if four numbers in an order are in proportion, the product of extremes is equal to the product of means. So here the product of extremes 2 into 9, 2 nines 18, and the product of means 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Therefore this set of numbers are in proportion. Similarly, taking this four set of numbers, the product of extremes 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 is equal to 3 gets cancelled, 2 by 5. And the product of means 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. 3 by 4 into 5 by 6 is equal to 3 ones, 3 twos is equal to 5 by 8. So the product of extremes is not equal to the product of means. Therefore, this set of numbers in this order are not in proportion. Next, 7th problem. Find the value of x in each of the following. 2 is to 5 is as x is to 20. X is to 10 is as 15 is to 30. So 2 is to 5 is as x is to 20 means 2, 5, x and 20 are in proportion. Therefore, the product of extremes 2 into 20 is equal to 40. The product of extremes is equal to the product of means, that is 5 into x is equal to 40. 5 into x is equal to product of extremes 40. So x is equal to 40 by 5 is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8. Next, x, the product of extremes x into 30 is equal to the product of means 10 into 15. Therefore, x is equal to 10 into 15 by 30. 10 ones, 10 threes, 3 ones, 3 fives, 15. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Just we are using the rule of proportion. When four numbers are in proportion or when two ratios are equal and are written in like this, the product of extremes is equal to product of means. So next, 8th problem. In a class, there are 70 students. If the ratio of the total number of students to that of the girls is 5 is to 2, find the number of girls in the class. So total number of students 70. The ratio of the total number of students to the girls is 5 is to 2. So let the total number of students is equal to 5x and the number of girls is equal to 2x, because total number of students and is the ratio of the total number of students to the number of girls is 5 is to 2. Therefore, if let the total number of students be 5x and the number of girls be 2x. But the total number of students are given as 70. That means 5x is equal to 70 or x is equal to 70 by 5. That is equal to 5 ones, 5 fours, 5 4 twos, 7. Therefore, total number of girls is equal to, therefore, number of girls is equal to 2. Next problem 9. The amount with A is rupees 250 and his age is 25 years. Amount with B is 400 rupees. If the ratio of the amounts of A and B are in proportion to the ratio of their ages, find the age of the B. Here the ratio of the amounts of A and B are in proportion to the ratio of their ages. The ratio of the amounts, the ratio of the amounts with A and B is equal to 250 is to 400. 250 and 400. That is equal to 25 is to 40. We can still simplify it. అయినా ఉంచేద్దాము. And the ratio of the amounts is in proportion with their ages. Ratio of their ages. Ratio of their ages. Age of A is 25 years and let the age of B be X. B యొక్క ఏజ్ ఎక్స్ అనుకున్నాం. సో ఇవి రెండు ప్రపోర్షన్లో ఉన్నాయి. 25 is to 40 is equal to or is as is equal to 25 is to x. Therefore చూడగానే చెప్పేయచ్చు 25 is to 40 is equal to 25 is to x. Therefore x is equal to 40. అంటే B ఏజ్ 40 years అన్నమాట. ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ B is equal to 40 years. Next 10th problem. In a proportion, the product of extremes is 144. If one of the means is 9, find the other. Let the other means is equal to x. Therefore, product of means is equal to 9 into x. Product of means is equal to 9 into x. So product of extremes is given as 144. Product of extremes is 144. So according to the rule of proportion, product of extremes is equal to product of means, or product of means is equal to product of extremes. So product of means 9 into x is equal to product of extremes 144, or x is equal to 144 by 9, that is equal to 9 ones 9, 54, 9, 6. Therefore x is equal to 16.